to Rastec GH. We are going to continue our Excel tutorials. Okay, now you get a setup. Excel is application software. So you get a setup from somewhere, you install it, that is the Microsoft. So within that Microsoft, you can have the Excel PowerPoint access, that is the Word, and so there are so many things within that Microsoft Excel. Now remember, we have the Microsoft Office 2010, 2007, 2016, 2013, 2019, and the rest. So it depends. Each version has its own unique features, right? So you can't compare the 2007 Office to 2019 Office. So after the installation, you come to your search bar, then you search for, that is Microsoft Word, no, Microsoft SL. I'm using 2010 for now. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. If you remember, we have the title bar here. So this title bar, it means that I've not saved it. So the name will be here, and then the application that I'm using is called Microsoft Excel. So if you open each application within that office, you will see that application particularly here. So that is the name. Now the next thing is the ribbon. That is the ribbon tabs. And as I was saying, when you come to RAS Home, you see that we have the group like Crayboard, we have the font alignment and the rest. When you come to insert, we have each groups. That is the spark lines, filter, links, and the rest. If you come to layout, you see them. Okay. So now, when you come to RAS Home, I have customized mine. So that is why you see RAS Home over there. Okay. So yours, you see it like home. I have customized mine. Okay. So now, this is, let's see. We want to know the end of this column. So the end of this column. Someone may ask, is it up to Z? No. This is what you are going to do. Hold on your Control plus Shift key with the arrow right. That is the right arrow key. Hold on. It means you press and hold Control and Shift and then the right arrow. You see that this is the end of this particular sheet. That is the sheet 1. This is the end of it. This is the end of this sheet. It's 256. Yeah, I think so. 256 columns. Now, so that is that. Let's go back. Okay, so that is that. Now, the next one is we want to see the columns, right? This one is the column. We want to see the rows. So hold on your Control Shift key and then the down arrow. So you see that we have over, that is 1,048,557. That is columns, right? That is the number of columns. We have seen the rows and also this is the number of columns. Now, when this vertical and then the horizontal line meet, it forms something called box. Then in Excel, we call it what? Cell. We call it cell. So let's go to the top. Let's see. So we have this. And this one is the name box. The name box, when you press the cursor there, you see the name box. Wherever you press the cursor, you see its name. Now, how are we going to name the cell? The cell is named in combined with the column and row. The column first before the row. So wherever you place your cursor, this is the column P and then the row 14. So this particular cell is called, that is P14. And then when you place the cursor here, you see that E7. So that is the cell. So each cell here has its own unique name, right? So we'll go back and see how we are going to deal with it. Now let's move on. So we'll come back here for some calculations. Okay. Now, so we are done with this one. We are done with this. So let's move on to, that is Excel terminologies. Now, cell, that is, as I was saying, a user enters data into a cell, which is the intersection of the row and columns. So the intersection of row and column is called what? A cell. Now, And then cell reference. What is a cell reference? This is the set of coordinates where a cell is located. Rows are horizontal and number, whereas columns are vertical and assigned a letter. That is the cell reference. That is the meaning of that, right? So see you in the next video from Rastec GH.